You often hear people say, AI will not take anyone's job.
Yeah, I hear that line everywhere. Conferences, news interviews, even tech companies repeat it again and again. But sometimes it feels like they say it just to keep people calm.
Exactly. If people panic, the whole market shakes.
But the reality looks different when you step back and observe what is actually happening. Even people who already know how to use AI may not be safe. Just knowing how to use a tool does not guarantee security when the whole system starts changing.
Right.
The creativity may start with small developers, but very quickly the control moves to the big players. Most AI tools today are free. That sounds great on the surface. Everyone loves free tools. Millions of users, billions of interactions, all feeding massive training systems. These assistants are watching everything.